Alright, I'm getting ready to take my second run with my Huangjie 40, which is now a Yamaha 25. I installed the Bennett self-loving trim tabs. See, that helps out with the porpoising. Got a brand new set of plugs in it. Although last time I had one plug that was actually closed off, so I just adjust the gap on the new plugs and stuck the new ones in. Well, I'll go out and see how it runs now. What I have done is I actually trimmed it out 2 more notches like I originally had it, and we're going to see how it performs getting on top. Because before, at this trim setting, I mean, the front of the boat would just shoot straight up in the air. Nothing safe at all. Dropped it down a notch and it was still doing the same thing, and then I dropped it down 1 more notch, and then it handled, I mean, it was much better, but it was still doing a lot of porpoising. So like I said, I brought it back up 2 notches where I originally had it, and let's see how this works. Give it a little throttle, and it's right on top that quick. Wow, those trim tabs work. I mean, I'm just barely touching it. I'm on top, but it trimmed all the way out. Oh my gosh! A little quick burst. Like I said, it ain't broke in yet. I don't even have an hour on the motor yet. I'm gonna run it a little while and see if I can break it in a little better. I'm not sure how fast I'm going. I'm gonna do a GPS run on it. I'm not gonna do any wide open throttle though. And it's like a little bit of bounce, but you gotta remember, I got the motor trimmed up much higher than before. It's way less violent. I think the little bounces come from the little waves and the intercoastal here. Okay. So here I am. I did put the Bennett self-leveling trim tabs. I think the SLT 6. Man, that makes all the difference in the world. I was able to trim out the motor a lot higher, and I do have my little power trim set up. I can't trim it out while I'm running because of the pressure of the motor pushing on it, but if I stop and trim it out a little bit, I can take off, and I can actually take off with it trimmed out. It just hops right up. I did get me a stainless steel prop. Let's see if I can get that up here. 16 pitch stainless prop I put on it. Get this up all the way. I actually got an hour on my motor now. 1.2 hours. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. But man, it's nice and shiny. I tell you, this power trim is nice. Just for doing this kind of stuff right here. You can kick it up in shallow waters, and it's not really like a power trim, but it's more power tilt, I guess. So yeah, I mean, that works well. Yeah, I mean, it pretty much eliminated all the porpoising. Very little of it. I was in a chop when I came in this canal over here, which is calm. I didn't have no problem with it. Kill switch on, but man, it'll crank right up. Isn't that beautiful? I don't have to pull a rope anymore. My 225 Yamaha Huangjie 40. I did check with GPS. Not full throttle, but probably 3/4. I was hitting 35. So yeah, it could be close to hitting 40 miles per hour. It's more fast than I need to really go. But at least I know I got the extra horsepower when I'm fully loaded with everybody. I didn't bring no fishing lines because I was it's kind of late in the afternoon. I didn't think I'd get to do any fishing. Doesn't like the sound of a 2-stroke. Like I said, I just barely got over an hour, so I'm still breaking it in. Just did a quick little short burst with it. It was turning at 35. I want to say it was turning about 42 or 4,300. So that's could probably be about right. Like I said, at full throttle, it's probably turned about 55, 5,600. Which is really, this particular engine, it's a little, the RPM is a little lower. It's between 45 to 5,500 is where you want to turn these motors. That is the best RPM range for the power, versus the 18, which is like 55 to 65, I think. But yeah, I'm very impressed with the motor so far. Except for the spark plug that was went gap right. But got that all cleared out, no more stutter. Like I said, still got to break in. Go out and just put a few more hours on it and get it broke in. I just got back from a ride. I'll get ready to head to the house. But man, these Bennett self-leveling trim taps really work. Very simple to install. It probably took me 20 minutes to install them. See, the work is on water pressure. As increase speed, they actually come up. So when you take off, you got full trim. 16-pitch stainless steel prop. I did check my maximum RPMs, attack, and I didn't open it all the way up. But it's turned, the maximum turn up today was like 5,520 RPMs. So I'm thinking I'm gonna be okay with the pitch. 16 pitch seems to work out perfect with this boat, but man, this thing is just like basically eliminate the bounce. And I can trim it out, actually trim it out even further than what I have it now, and runs perfect. Can't get the way to get some hours on so I can actually do a wide open throttle. Talk to you guys.